Hi, Tiffany.
Hello.
You're sitting across from me right now. How are you feeling?
Nervous.
Yeah, it's gonna be okay. Okay. So eyeliner 101, we're gonna see if we can do it. You need 3 things. You need a mirror, your eyeliner brush, and your eyeliner. We're using our cream eyeliner today because I think it's a little bit easier than a liquid liner. I like an angled brush because I think they're easier to work with than a flat brush. Here's what you're gonna do in our really unflattering overhead lighting. Ready?
Yes, so.
The first thing is you need your mirror, right? So you're gonna have your mirror into your pot and just pick up a little bit. So just a little bit. Well, like a decent, not a ton. Show me. Don't do this. Okay, don't do this.
Oh.
Literally pat it onto the thing.
Let me put my glasses on.
Like you're gonna brush it just to get some on, but you never need to go like that.
Okay.
This is wasting product.
Okay.
This is how it's gonna go. Ready? You're gonna push your lashes down,
Okay.
bump up against your lash line, and do a baby pull. You wanna watch me first?
Yeah.
Okay. Push my lashes down with my brush. The long side of my brush is pointed into my nose. Starting at the outside, I'm not starting at the inside.
Okay.
I'm pushing my eyelashes down, bumping up against my lash line, and then doing a baby pull. It's not gonna be perfect. And you're gonna I know, but you can do it. You're gonna basically just walk your way in to about here, where your iris starts.
Okay.
And then we'll talk,
Oh.
okay? You're gonna be great. Okay.
Angled
towards your nose.
towards my nose.
Yep.
Like this?
Yep, like
Okay.
that.
I have to
Down.
hold my
No,
face?
no,
Okay.
don't
No,
hold
you didn't
your
do
face.
that. Okay. Right.
Great. Yep, go back. What's wrong? You're basically on the outer third. Use your mirror. You have to use the mirror. And here's what you're gonna do. Here's an extra tip. If you hold the mirror down under your chin and then look at yourself that way, it might make it easier. Yep. Because then you can see what you're doing without like doing all these jobs.
You said,
Okay, here, we're gonna do it together.
yeah, thank you.
Push your lashes down up against your lash line and do a baby pull.
Push the lashes down. Like that?
Like that. Okay, see how you're getting a little high?
Okay. Lower.
I'm just going for super skinny. Yes, that's it. Do you feel how you're starting to, let me borrow this, come up a little bit? I want to do that right now. You just want to stay right up against that lash line and just work your way in. You might have to pick up more product.
Okay. Should I do that?
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
Like this. Boop, boop. Okay? And if you're scared that you got too much, that's what your cap is for. And you're going to blot it in your cap.
Okay.
Your lashes down, bump up against your lash line, and now start walking, starting a little bit more over. Once you've got your line how you want it, then you're going to start moving closer and closer to the inside corner of the eye. Sometimes as I'm getting closer, I can't hold my brush like this anymore. I have to like kind of switch it. So you might switch it, you might not. Once you get to your iris, like right here, stop. Okay, so watch what I'm gonna do. You're gonna go in, you're gonna get a little bit more pigment, not a lot. Now, we're gonna switch it so that the point is facing away. It's been facing towards our nose the whole time. Now it's gonna face away. Now you really are gonna pull your mirror down underneath your face.
Right.
So that you can look down. You do, in my book, have to go all the way in to your eye. Otherwise, it looks like someone tapped you on the shoulder and said, we have to go. And you were like, I'm not finished with my makeup. And they were like, I don't care. And you said, okay. Here, you know like your water line, like the inside? We're going to kind of start to hook down into that. Don't worry, you don't have to. Your face was so funny. Oh my gosh. It's going to be like an 8-hour video. Push. You have baby lashes here, right? We don't want them to get in our way. So we're going to push them down, bump up against the lash line, but we're going to pull towards the nose. We've been pulling away from the nose.
Right.
We're going to pull towards the nose on this.
Okay.
Boom. And you're just going to pull a little bit and really try not to blink. Because if you blink, it's going to mess it up. You can try towards the nose. Or you can. I find it's easier to pull towards the nose because if you pull away, you can't see because you literally have a thing obstructing your vision, right? So that's why I tend to go towards the nose once I get over the hump of the iris.
Okay.
Or the pupil, you know, but
the brown part. Well, depending on your eyes.
on your eyeball. Does that make sense? Like as a concept?
Yes.
Okay. It's gonna be great. So turn that away from you now. Yep.
Okay.
Try it like that. And if you're like, I don't like it, then you can turn it. So start it the way you've been doing it and see if you like it.
Okay.
Walk in more towards the inner eye. You're doing it.
This is nerve-wracking. This is nerve-wracking.
You're totally doing it. Can I see?
Oh boy.
It looks really pretty. Look in the camera.
Okay, yes. Okay.
Your brush.
Yeah.
A tiny, tiny bit right in here that you want to connect. Do you see that? That's all I want you to do.
Understand the stress sweats that I had?
You have a sweater on. You just did it.
Did I?
Good
Mostly?
enough. Yeah.
Okay.
Just your lash line is thicker. That's what we're doing. We're not trying to like.
Yes, I see it. This
do
one
anything
compared
crazy.
to this
Yeah.
one.
Other side.
Oh.
First time is always the hardest. The second time is so much easier. The third time is so much easier. And then it's not hard anymore. Put your mascara on. Okay, how do you feel?
Very good.
You did it. It looks really pretty.
Thank you for the guidance. Yay.